of people have been asking, who is Wicknell Chivayo? The man was with President Cyril Ramaphosa last weekend. Wicknell Chivayo is a 43-year-old man who's been accused of several crimes in Zimbabwe, and at some point, he was even jailed. He calls himself a self-made billionaire, and of late, he's been hanging around with African presidents. And he has also mentioned that his businesses are mainly from the president. He's also under investigations in South Africa by the Hawks because they suspect he's been doing money laundering. Since 2024, he's been giving out cars to celebrities and socialites in Zimbabwe, and he has spent millions of dollars doing so. He's closely associated with Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF, and President Emmerson Mnangagwa. He's also known for stealing 15 billion in Zimbabwe through a solar project, which his company Intratrek received millions of dollars for a solar power plant project. And that's the case that got him jailed for I think it was just for a few days or so, but that crime disappeared because, he's well connected. He was also connected to the late President Robert Mugabe. His other source of income is from tenders that he gets from the government. And the only reason why he's not in jail in Zimbabwe is because he's being protected by the president of Zimbabwe. He's currently going through divorce with his ex-wife, Sonia, who has filed divorce papers that has led to his assets in South Africa to be frozen. His assets only that were frozen in South Africa are worth 5 billion, including a jet that was stationed. I don't know, it was stationed somewhere else, but he said he bought that jet because he was tired of using South African Airways and all the airlines that he was using. He was tired of being delayed, and so he ended up buying that jet. And at this moment, the divorce has led him to be grounded by his ex-wife because he cannot make any transaction. And yesterday, he had to file a court order for the court not to recognize the marriage that he was in for the past 8 years, because he's actually saying he was in a customary marriage and that marriage should not be recognized by the courts. That's what he's trying to do, and he's actually saying the wife wants to rip him off because those things he wasn't part of, he wasn't doing anything in that marriage, so the wife doesn't deserve any 1 rand. That's what he said. And he said he has hired lawyers that he's paying millions and millions of rands for here not to get anything. And their divorce has been going on for the past 2 years, and they have been fighting. For the past 2 years, they've been fighting on social media because of that. Last month, he also got to pay her ex-wife $5 million for child maintenance, and the ex-wife wants for the kids. She was granted 5 million, and then for her own divorce, and she wants 25 million out of the settlement. She wants 25 million for divorce. She wants 7 cars and also 3 houses, including one in Sandton. A lot of Zimbabweans, they don't like him because they see him as a corrupt person. He has caused havoc in ZANU-PF because of him being close to the president, because now it's like the president is now preferring to be with him rather than to be with his vice president. It's like he's the president's right-hand man. All the people that were close to the president are now being excluded on several things, meetings, and if you noticed in the pictures that you are seeing, you could actually see the way he was so close to the president. There were a lot of people, but he was more closer to the president, and he was always walking besides the presidents. Since he said his main business comes from the president, I think he was trying to strike a deal with the president. I don't know about that because they had a 4-hour meeting with President Mnangagwa, President Cyril Ramaphosa, Kudatagwe. They had a closed meeting for 4 hours, the 4 of them. And then I was quite surprised when I heard Cyril Ramaphosa saying he doesn't know Wicknell, and any authorities in South Africa, they can actually arrest him. There's no need for them to protect him. They should arrest him. And he said that he doesn't know him. How can you not know a person that you had a meeting with for 4 hours? And when Cyril arrived in Harare, They actually took a 1 hour. They took a 1 hour flight to President Mnangagwa's farm. They were together. The four of them, they were in a helicopter. The four of them. And then after Cyril is back now, he's saying he doesn't know. He doesn't know Wicknell, the person that he had a 4 hour meeting with. So I don't know. I don't know about that, about whatever. I don't know if he doesn't know him. How can you say you don't know a person that you spend the whole day with? The person who is under investigations in your country, you don't know. Who is under, I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. So in Zimbabwe, actually, Wicknell is amongst the top 5 corrupt people, and they really want him to be in jail. They really wish that they could do something for him to go to jail. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed, and see you in my next video.